your eyewitness weather forecast.
2023 in the rear view, and the year that was, I'll tell you, if I had to pick, I would say I will not soon forget that Canadian wildfire smoke we had. Certainly not accustomed to that. As we go into the new year here, the weather pattern showing signs of some change and colder. And maybe, even some snow in there as well. 24 at the top of the hour with a west-northwesterly wind at 10 miles an hour. All right, so here's what to expect. It's an active pattern. Wow, I'm really showing up. This color suit doesn't fit this green screen very well. But anyway, we'll get through this. An active pattern turning more wintry for sure. It's nice tomorrow. Then we're going to get into a little period of lake snow coming up Wednesday night and into Thursday morning. So Thursday morning could be a little interesting. And then we have to watch a weekend storm, which hasn't even formed yet. So you're probably thinking, well, how do you know there's going to be a storm? There are some signs that some things are going to come together in the atmosphere. And, you know, there's already been a buzz by the social meteorologists posting these outlandish weather models and the like. Like, can we stop? Just stop. Don't do that, okay? We still have plenty of time to watch this thing. Will there be some snow? Probably. Will it be enough to shovel or plow? Maybe. That's the best I could do for you right now. We've still got time, so let's just sit tight with that. All right, numbers this evening falling into the 20s out there. So it's cold down into Otsego County, mid-20s in Cooperstown, and up north we're already down into the teens for places like Long Lake and Old Forge. Not much showing up here on Storm Tracker live Doppler radar. Across the Northeast we've had a little bit of wet weather passing to the south. That should stay down to the south. And let's go out a little bit wider, just show you what's going on across much of these United States, at least the contiguous United States. The weather should be fine if you have to catch a late flight or whatever. Very quiet. So here's the day through the overnight tonight and into the day tomorrow. Nothing more than a few flurries overnight. It's not going to add up much. And then through the day tomorrow, I expect clouds to give way to a good deal of sunshine. So by the afternoon, very nice day. Temperatures up near 40 by the afternoon. Then we get into Wednesday, and you can see up north, that's where we're going to have some lake effect snow starting to form. And there might be a minor rain or wet snow shower locally, but of little consequence through the day on Wednesday. What's going to happen on Wednesday night and Thursday is a cold front comes through. As that happens, it will line up some lake effect snow Wednesday night into Thursday morning. That's our first bout of wintry weather. More on that as we get closer. So tonight, partly to mostly cloudy, just a few isolated flurries with lows near 20. And then through the day tomorrow, I expect a mostly sunny sky by afternoon. Nice and quiet, second day of 2024 with a high near 40. A minor rain or wet snow shower Wednesday, especially in the afternoon, upper 30s to near 40. It will be snowy Thursday morning. And we'll see that taper to flurries. Nice but chilly Friday, and then we get into the weekend again. We'll watch that storm system, at least some light snow by Sunday. The track means everything, and it's still just too early to pin that down exactly. But for sure, Shelby, that is more of a wintry weather forecast with highs in the 30s and may not get out of the 20s on Sunday.
Definitely more of a winter weather forecast.
Mm-hmm.
All right, thanks, Craig. Still to come on Eyewitness News at 6 tonight.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Happy New Year to you. Welcome to 2024. New year, somewhat of a new weather pattern. So come on with me. Let's take a walk, and we'll show you what's going on downtown tonight. And as we peer downtown, much quieter compared to what it was at this time last night as we look down at the city. It's a new year, and I've got great news for you. That right there, you got 44 new seconds of daylight today, and it will only go up from here. Temperature now 25 degrees at the top of the hour with a west and southwesterly wind, fairly light. The dew point in the upper teens right now. So we're going to see that number kind of run towards that dew point, but probably level off right around 20 degrees or so. Here's what to expect. It's an active weather pattern as it turns more wintry going through the week. And like I said, going into break, I think Tuesday's probably the best day of the week. Sunshine by the afternoon, temperatures upper 30s to near 40. Then we're going to get into a little bit of a window of lake effect snow Wednesday night into Thursday morning. And then, of course, we're still keeping an eye on that potential for our next snowy system. It's still very early. Will it be enough to shovel or plow? Don't know yet. So check back with us through the week. We'll keep you posted. 24 now. Downtown, Rome as well. Down to the south, numbers here are in the low 20s. And then up north, we're looking at numbers in the teens already. And obviously not much to show you here on radar. So we'll go out a little bit wider, a little area low pressure going by to the south. So that's the reason we've kind of had these clouds over top the area. But with time, we'll see some clearing here as we go into the afternoon tomorrow. And really, the country as a whole here, there's not much going on. Quiet weather. So let's talk about what's ahead for you tonight. Just a few flurries, that would be about the extent of it. Then through the day tomorrow, watch as we clear the sun, or clear the clouds. So we'll get a little bit more sun for the afternoon. I think temperatures are in the upper 30s to near 40. Then the first little batch of lake effect snow starts to form north on Wednesday. Locally, probably nothing more than a spotty rain or wet snow shower. Temperatures will be in the upper 30s. Then what happens is we see lake effect snow north start to drift south by the time we get into Thursday morning. So other than a few flurries tonight, it'll be partly to mostly cloudy with a low near 20. Through the day tomorrow, mostly sunny, especially by the afternoon. Nice and quiet, highs upper 30s to near 40. Wednesday, clouding up. Maybe a few rain or wet snow showers with lake effect snow north. That lake effect snow bangs south by Thursday morning. Maybe a brief squall in there the first half of Thursday, too, before tapering to flurries. Temperatures will drop through the day on Thursday. So right around 30 in the morning, but we're probably like in the 20s by the afternoon. Friday's chilly, but nice, 32. We increase the clouds Saturday and at least some light snow on Sunday. And like I said earlier, don't believe social media. All these meteorologists that are just probably in their mom's basement somewhere.
The social media.
I'd like to see their creds.
I love that.
Bottom line is we'll see. We'll see.
Got it.
There's still a lot of time, a few more days to iron out details. But yeah we could have some snow here by Sunday.
All right. Sounds good. Thanks, Craig. Brennan, UCFC, unstoppable, huh?
Your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Welcome back to Eyewitness News at 11. Happy New Year to you. 2024 here as we get ready to go into the first week of the new year here. And, well, the weather pattern's new, too, in that it's going to get colder. And there's a couple more opportunities for some snow, which we'll discuss here in a minute. First thing first, how about this headline? 44 new seconds of daylight. Everyone in the studio is going like this right now, except Tori. She's moving the camera. There she goes. 44 new seconds for you today, and we're only going up from here. So it's 25. Temperatures going down tonight with a light wind. And here's what to expect. So, like I said, the weather pattern's changing. So it's turning a little bit more active and definitely more wintry. You'll see that coming up in the 7-day forecast. It's going to feel like it around here. So tomorrow, I said, is the best day of the week because it's a lot of sun by afternoon. Temperatures should be up near 40. Then we get into Wednesday, clouds build, and then we're going to get into a little window of lake snow Wednesday night into Thursday morning. And it will be turning colder through the day on Thursday. Technically speaking, the high temperature will probably occur at midnight, and numbers are going to be dropping through the day. Then we got to watch this weekend deal. You might have heard chatter about that already. Look. It's still 6 days away, and the darn thing hasn't even formed yet. So let's give it some time. We'll keep an eye on it. But yeah, there could be a little bit of snow around here as we get into second half of the weekend. Numbers out there tonight are in the 20s, down to the south, Cooperstown 24. Up to the north, we're dropping into the teens, Old Forge over to Blue Mountain Lake. And obviously, as we take a look at the Eyewitness News counties, not much going on here on radar. So we go a little bit wider, and there's a storm system down to the south. That's why we've had these clouds over top of the area today. But I think as we go through time, we'll get into some clearing to the north and to the west. So let's talk about where we go from here. First, I wanted to just show you the nation as a whole. There's not much going on, very quiet weather. So as we get into tomorrow afternoon, watch as we go through the afternoon, we'll get more sunshine out. And I think temperatures by the afternoon will be in the upper 30s to near 40. Then we notice north. That's where we have our first beginnings of lake effect snow developing Wednesday north. And then at times it will be heavy, but that should be well north. What's going to happen is there's actually a front that's going to come through on Thursday, and that's going to tend to organize some lake effect snow Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Could be a brief squall Thursday morning before tapering to flurries and then temperatures dropping. We'll end up near 20 tonight with a partly to mostly cloudy sky. Nothing more than a few light snow flurries, but don't expect any accumulation. Turning mostly sunny, nice and quiet. For the second day of 2024 with temperatures near 40. Best day of the week tomorrow. Cloudy sky Wednesday. There could be a rain or wet snow shower, upper 30s. And then we get into that lake effect Wednesday night to Thursday. Could be a couple inches, but Thursday morning could be a little slick. Temperatures are dropping, so careful how you interpret that 30. It's probably in the 20s in the afternoon. Partly sunny, chilly Friday. More clouds Saturday, but dry, and then we watch that weekend storm, at least the chance of some widespread light snow, enough to shovel. We have to wait and see. There are conflicting data sets. One computer model says nothing, and the other one, which is a little bit more reliable, says we're going to get into some widespread light snow. So,
interesting.
Yeah, still a few days to iron those details out. But look at Sunday. Brisk cold, only in the upper 20s, and like I said, could be a little snowy.
A good day for me to stay in and look at the snow.
Yeah, I'm ready for it.
Yeah,
man.
I know.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's do it. You're right. We got to go skiing.
Yep.
Still to come on Eyewitness News at 11, we complete our look